Gang, it's just me. It's Ghetto Mama. And it's time for lunch brunch time. And it's TGIF. It's Friday. So, I know you guys see me eat salads. I'm probably the fattest chick on YouTube that does mukbangs that eats salads every day. Yeah, I know. I am. Anyway, just joking. Anyway, so here's my salad today. It's kind of plain. It has blue cheese dressing in it, a little bit of corn, romaine lettuce, the little tomatoes that I like so much, and that's it. I didn't even put any salt or pepper on it. But the little pieces, the little kernels of corn here, yum yum. It tastes like a Cobb salad. If I'd have bacon bits on it, but it's good enough. And then I have broccoli. I made this broccoli last night and I steamed it and I put cheese on it. And yeah, it's really good. It's all because of the cheese. That's my protein. So, let's see. What can we talk about today for TGIF? Let's see. How about at-home drama? Yes, I've had at-home drama. My young son got to a fight with his girlfriend, although she wasn't mad. He was mad. I don't know what the hell happened. He stayed awake and stayed up till like 1 o'clock last night. And I thought he was going to be like suicidal because my son's kind of crazy when he's upset. And it's, oh my God. So that was a huge worry. Everything's all Gucci today though. It's all good. Thank the good Lord it's good. Does this salad look like Christmas? Because the blue cheese dressing and the little red tomatoes. Oh, a red tomato. You can tell my salad. Look, see, it's got some brown on the end of it. I don't know what's with this damn salad. I can buy iceberg. And if you don't eat that in 3 days, after you open up the bag, it'll get these little brown spots on it. So it's like, hurry the hell up. Eat it all gone, or you're wasting money. So, I have, I think, one more dish of salad in my bag, and then I'm good, and then I can go get more salad over the weekend. I need more tomatoes, too. Oh, I get to go to a barbecue cookout tomorrow. I might sneak and take you with me so you can be there. And both of my sons, they own Dodge Challengers. And they're in a Challenger Club. And the Challenger Club is having a barbecue tomorrow. Everybody's supposed to bring something. I don't know what to bring. I was thinking, well, maybe I'll bring macaroni salad, or buy a few packs of hot dogs and some buns to bring. I'll bring something, but my big son's like taking a shit on everything I say. He says, well, they have this and they have that, but when I read their posting, they say you didn't really have to bring anything, but they want people to participate, and I'm one of these people. If somebody invites me to dinner, I bring something, you know. So I was thinking about getting a big tub of potato salad and macaroni salad, but then what if they don't have forks? I don't know. No frickin' idea what to really bring. But wherever I bring it, it'll be finger food. That way it's like self-containable, you know. I don't know, maybe I'll buy... My big son says, let's buy a watermelon and cut it all up. I'm like, yeah, that'd be a good idea. I'm going to be invaded here in a minute. Baby's mama and my son's.
Mark's not.
What?
Mark's not going to work.
Why?
Angelina said no. This is the second time he did it.
Be like, all right, then Angelina's gonna get you fired. What's it called? What did you guys make for lunch yesterday?
Lunch?
Salad. We had salad, yeah. So now.
Oh, not for lunch. I mean for dinner.
A hamburger. Hamburger. There's a hamburger left in there.
And I'm not a big fan of beef, to be honest. I'd rather eat chicken.
So I guess
We need more ice.
my daughter's boyfriend's not going to work. And this is going to be the second day he won't be at work. So that really sucks. And this is his new job. So when I get off of filming my little mukbang, I'm going to be doing some regulating. In other words, bitching.
Oh, Francine's following me.
Because this job, he's learning a skill. He's learning how to drive a forklift. He's making almost $15 an hour. It's just bullshit. You need to go to work. I have a really good work ethic. I got tossed out of my house when I was 15 years old because I was raped by the black man who had 10 children that lived up the street from me, and when I told what happened to me, it was my fault, so they kicked me out. So, Ghetto Mama's been on the street since I've been 15 years old, and I've had to learn to work and everything. I've had a hard way to go. I really have. So, his ass is grass, and I'm going to be the lawnmower because he needs to go to work. I'm considered disabled by the doctors, but you know what? I'm trying to find a job that suits me because I think I need to go to work. I need to do something, and I think what I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to get a job on the telephone reading tarot cards, because I used to do that when I was pregnant for my young son, and I couldn't work because I was so sick. I stayed home and I read tarot cards, and it was fun, and I loved it, and I got paid pretty good money, so I can do that again. So I need to do something. Maybe I'll make dream catchers and sell them, because I can do that. Yum, yum, yum. Here, one bite. Nope. I thought my little granddaughter was begging, but nope.
She has pizza.
She's just running around doing her thing. Shoot, I keep dropping my food. One of my fans out there, that my subscribers, speaks Spanish, or some kind of Spanish. I don't know. It kind of looks like Spanish, but I don't know what it is. I don't know what you're saying, and I would like to respond to what you're saying. So, if anybody reads my comments and they know what this other language is, and you can translate, I would just greatly appreciate it, because I like to interact. You know, I really do. So yeah, things could be better. Yeah, I'm kind of like upset. Dude man needs to go to work. My big son vouched and got him that job there. One thing about me is that unless I'm dying, I'm too sick to go to work, or they tell me they don't want me, I go to work every fucking day of my life. I did. I used to. And you know why? Because it's called self-respect for myself. It gives me a sense of value if I'm making my own money. You know, I really hope that this YouTube channel, I can start making some cash off of that. But, you know, it's for the fun. I'm doing this because it's fun and it's a creative outlet for me. So my YouTube channel is not really about the money. It's about me. And just it makes me feel better to have a YouTube channel. I find it exciting to talk to everybody, and it's a nice platform and stuff like that. But, you know, I do want to make money eventually, but it's not important. Not even if I never make any money off of this channel, because I just like doing this. I do. Oh, my beverage is Diet Mountain Dew. But you guys probably already knew that. I'm debating on what I'm going to make for supper. I don't know if I'm going to make chicken or have nachos and cheese. I don't know yet. Baby's mama says nachos and cheese. That's easy, because all I got to do is open this big, huge-ass can of cheese and have nachos and cheese. I could do that, probably. I've been cooking every night of the week this week. Maybe I'll boil some eggs, or make a big pan of scrambled eggs, you know, like a loose omelet, scrambled eggs with like little pieces of onions and bell peppers and cheese. That would be good. And have the nachos. So you could have like an egg tortilla or egg taco and nachos. That would be good for supper. I think that's what I'll do. I was going to say have hot dogs, but if I'm going to a barbecue tomorrow, I'll have hot dogs tomorrow over there. I already had hot dogs this week, but you know what? I like hot dogs. Cheesy, cheesy. I'm not sleazy. I'm cheesy. Why is always the last bite the best? There's 2 little pieces of corn in here. Will I get them? Success. now the rest of this. So, I don't think this was too bad of a lunch for a fat chick. But you know, gang, oh, it's got juice in here too. But you know, gang, what I really want? I'm going to tell you what I really, really want. I want a big old fat hamburger from somewhere. I want some french fries. I want some onion rings. And this is a big no-no. I want a chocolate milkshake. But they're in my dreams. Just that's things I dream about. Maybe over the weekend, no. I don't know, but when you do this like low carb thing and then you have something no food, it gives me inflammation in my body. I start like getting a lot of pain, and then it takes me a couple days to regroup, and it's like, is it worth it? No. So best I just stick to this kind of stuff. But I think I will have a little bit of ice cream over the weekend. I don't know where I'm going to get it or what kind. But it's going to be a very minute little small thing of ice cream. So, gangsters, thank you for joining me for lunch. And I will see you next mukbang. And TGIF.